Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing all power and grounding yourself. This prevents shorts and static damage. Once done, take off the back cover and remove the battery or unplug the adapter so no voltage remains. Next, unscrew the chassis screws while noting positions. This matters when reassembling. Make sure to use a spudger to separate clips rather than prying with metal. These initial steps are quick, but set you up to access the power button assembly safely and without causing further damage. Now you expose the button module and visually inspect for corrosion, broken solder joints, or torn flex cables. Once visible, disconnect the flex cable and inspect both sides of the connector. Dirt or misalignment commonly causes failure. Clean contacts with 90% isopropyl and a soft brush, then reseat the connector firmly. If you have a multimeter, check continuity while pressing the switch. This confirms whether the mechanical part or the board is defective. These diagnostics guide the next repair action. If the flex or button is damaged, replace it or reflow the solder joints on the switch pads. Use low heat and steady technique to avoid lifting traces. Once repaired, reassemble in reverse, making sure connectors are fully seated and screws return to original holes. Reconnect power and perform a full boot test. Press the button firmly once, then hold if needed. If it still fails, check the device power rail and battery. Sometimes the issue is upstream, not the button itself. So troubleshoot there next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.